Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide and explanation on how you can set up an email campaign in System.io. This is really useful for nurturing leads, automating sequences, and promoting products to your audience. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your System.io, and once you're here, you will just have to click the emails, and then you will look for campaigns and just go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you will just have to click this button which says create. And then of course you do have to name your campaign, and then you could also input sender email address and description if you want. But anyway, so yeah. Anyway, once you've input everything, you will just have to click save, and after that, you will add emails to campaign, and then you will click add email, enter the subject content, and set delay time. So it could be 1 day after sign up. So yeah, it really depends on you. And then of course, you could also automate the sequence by adding multiple emails and setting triggers like after previous email and adjust sending time. And to activate the campaign, click activate, and then the campaign should now be live. And of course, you could also monitor the performance in the statistics tab. So it should be right here somewhere if you do have that option. So make sure to actually explore the website and make sure that you're using the right version or plan so that you will be able to see all the features. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.